Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this Cubicle shade. This thing is so nice because it actually blocks out any sort of harsh lights or bright lights. So if you're in a setting where you've got lights right ahead of you, you can just move this, cover up the lights. It completely swivels all the way around 360 degrees. So if you did have an area that was just really bothering you, this giant leaf-shaped, as you can see, little design here will block out all of that light. Just like you can see or not see all the light outside right now, this is blocking all of that. And with that leaf design, it is a nice natural look to it. So I love how easy it swivels. It just hooks on right here. So depending on whatever size desk you have, you just add that on right here. And then as you come up this nice pole, it is completely adjustable as well. You just turn this and you can adjust it from 18 to 31 inches tall. That way, if you did have a higher desk or you just didn't really want it near you at all, you can easily adjust it, keep it over your head, keep all that light off, and then that strain on your eyes isn't always happening, and you have a really cool shade to sit under.